Bless you, while it's a common myth that sneezing causes your heart to stop, what really happens is a slight change in your heartbeat due to the pressure in your chest. This change can feel like a pause, which may be why the idea began. Bless you, the phrase was meant to offer protection or good wishes. Even today, we say it out of habit, a small gesture of kindness rooted in history. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's more than a reflex. It's a moment tied to myths, science, and a little bit of tradition.